How to change realistic graphics in Minecraft. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change realistic graphics in Minecraft. Launch Minecraft and access options. Now, you need to navigate to video settings. After that, choose your desired graphic style. Here, you will see options such as elegant, fantastic, or speedy. Then pick the one that suits your preference. Finally, click on Done to apply the changes. Remember to always download mods and resource packs from reputable sources to avoid malware or compatibility issues. Additionally, keep backups of your Minecraft files before installing mods or resource packs, as they can sometimes cause conflicts or other problems. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.